Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Gonex travel folding duffel bag. I will say that when I unpackaged it and started looking at it, I was very impressed with the quality. You can look here as I give you kind of a close-up. All the stitching and everything is basically perfect. Let me also say that the one I got, the 150 liter, this thing is huge. I mean, I was really surprised at just how big it was, but that pleased me. I wanted a large duffel. I needed a large duffel bag. The reason that I personally needed such a large duffel bag is that I generally keep all of my winter clothes in one spot. I keep a cold weather travel bag that I throw all my cold weather clothes in, and I take with me everywhere. I never know when I need it. So this Gonex bag is going to store all of my cold weather clothing. Here's another close-up of the material. This stuff looks to be extremely high quality. Heavy-duty strap and buckles. It does have carry handles on both ends. Nice padded carrying strap, and the strap is quite long and it can be adjusted. This Gonex duffel bag is going to work out perfect for me, so if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.